Good morning, children. In this video, we will be doing the back exercises of the fourth chapter. So let us start on with the fill-ups, filling the blanks. So open the book to page number 31. Let us start on with the exercises. So filling the blanks. Earlier voting was done through ballot papers. Today it is done through electronic voting machine. Okay, so in the first fill up we are having two blanks. The first is ballot and the second is electronic. Okay, children. Now the next one, see, the protection of a public property is every citizen's duty. So the second fill up is citizens. Now let us move on to the third. Never write on the walls of dash buildings. You can write school or historical, either of one. Okay, either you can write school or historical. Now let us see the fourth one. Historical monuments are visited by thousands of dash from all over the world. So the fourth fill up is tourists. Okay, children, the fourth fill up is tourist. Now see the fifth one. When you visit a museum, remember to follow the dash written there. So the fifth one is instructions. Okay. Now let us move on to the next exercise, that is true or false. Children, first is exercising the voting power is an important responsibility of every citizen. It is true. Second, private property means property that is owned by the government. That is false. Now third, roads should not be littered with garbage. It's true. If you borrow the books from the school library, keep them safely and with care. That is true. Now the fifth one, damaging historical monuments is a good practice which we should all follow. That is false. Children, answers I'll be sending you. So it is written in the copy and you also have to write the same in your copies. Now let us move on to the next exercise, and that is matchups. Okay, so all of you open page number 32. Now match the following. See the first one, public property. It is owned by the government and belongs to the public in general. Okay. Second is save electricity by switching off the lights and the fans when not in use. Okay. Now see the third one, Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958. Okay. Punishes offences related to damaging of historical monuments. Now see the fourth one, ballot papers are now replaced with electronic voting machines. Now see the fifth one, Archaeological Survey of India. Now protects and maintains public property. This is the fifth one. So children, we have already solved all the back exercises. Now I am sending you the answers. Okay. And you have to write all those answers in your copy along with the questions. Okay, children. Here we are having only answers, but you have to write the questions from the book. Okay, you have to write the questions from the book. So I am sending it to you. You can write it from the copy. Okay, this is the fourth one and this is the fifth one which ends over here. So thank you and have a nice day.